today with another video, and this is going to be another bag video, but this is going to be an unboxing. This just arrived at my doorstep not too long ago. I was filming some other videos, so I could not open it, and it was making me anxious because I wanted to open it up just to make sure that it was right and that I was going to like it. Before I get started on everything, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Also, if you are subscribed already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. So here's the box, and this is from Gucci. I love this little packaging they have going on. I have some other items from Gucci, and I like when they switched over to this one just because it's so classy and beautiful looking. And I like to save my boxes, you know, put them on top of the shelf with the bag. So this is the box. I'm just gonna move it to the side because it is so big. And this is just the receipt and the return label. I always want to make sure you keep it just in case you aren't feeling it. This comes packaged like this. Hopefully you guys can see it good. And I'm trying not to knock stuff over because this box is so big. There's some extra little paper in here so the bag will not move around. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out. Let me close up this box real quick and get it out of the way, so I don't want this knocking stuff down. So this is the dust bag, and I always like to keep my dust bags. Now I don't store my bags in dust bags. I leave them on the shelf, and I just kind of clean off the shelf and just rotate through my bags. And then let's open this up. This is so exciting. All right. Put that to the side. This is the bag. This is the Ophidia GG medium tote in the color blue and ivory denim. Look how pretty this looks. Hopefully this strap will fall in line like this strap. I think it's the way that they packaged it. So it just started doing that, and see, I flipped it up. I flipped it under, and it kind of bent back into place. So hopefully it just stays like that. Another reason why I like this bag is because the straps do go down. So I had the Neverfull before, and the straps just kind of stick up and they just look so awkward. And even though I love that bag, it was really uncomfortable for me to wear, especially because I do have bigger arms. And totes have always been a problem for me, especially trying to keep them on and just be comfortable with them. So I only have one other tote, and that's my MCM tote. It is a pretty big tote. It's not as small as this one, but I use that tote more for travel because it carries so much. So with the straps, they definitely are thicker than the Neverfull straps because the Neverfull straps are pretty thin. And once you start putting, you know, a lot of stuff in the bag, then it becomes very uncomfortable. So I always found myself not keeping the Neverfull on my shoulders, but more so carrying it in my hand. I really do like the leather on this bag. The leather on this is very pretty, and I like how it's outlined, and I also like the corners. I was originally going to go with the classic Ophidia tote, but it did not have the leather corners, and so my biggest concern was the corners were going to wear down very quickly, and that's not something that I wanted. And I also like that the bottom of the bag has leather to protect the denim because this is like a softer denim. And right now it's keeping its shape like this because it has the paper in it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I take the paper out. And I do plan on saving these because I like for my bags to keep their shape, and especially this one because it's not as structured as other bags that I have. So it's gonna need a little bit of something in it. So on the inside of this bag, it does come with this magnet, which I love. You guys know, or if you don't know, with the Neverfull, it's just an open bag. So I like that this does have the magnetic closure on it. Also get a pocket right here, and then you get a zipper compartment on the inside. And then this is just the booklet and another little tag. Now, one thing I will say about the inside of Gucci bags is that the color is so light, and I'm always nervous that I am going to mess it up. So this is just an unboxing only because I do not want to do a review yet until I get an organizer. There's not many reviews on this particular bag online. One reviewer I seen talk about this bag said to get an organizer because if not, I'm gonna show y'all what it does. It just kind of collapses, and I don't want that look. I want it to just stand like this. So I'm definitely gonna get an organizer. But I wanted to make sure I love the bag first, because there's only 2 places that have an organizer for this bag. I wanted to make sure that I love it first, because the organizers are about $60. Yeah, I was trying to find one on Amazon, but this is not the same dimensions as a Neverfull, so I have to get something that would fit in this bag to keep its shape. The color of the denim is what I fell in love with. I love like how dark it is, but it's not too dark. It's just like a perfect shade. Some denim bags are very light, and I did not want a light bag. So I feel like this is great for all year round. Especially you can rock this heavily in the spring and summertime with some cute outfits, some khaki shorts, a white tee, some cute sandals. Oh yeah, you can rock this a lot. But I feel like it will go well in the fall and winter also. They also had some accessories to go with this collection. There was a hat, a headband, and I really did like the hat, but I said, hold on now, hold on. Let's wait a little bit. Also seen some really cute sandals that a lot of people were purchasing for the spring and summer also, but she is cute and it smells good. New bags always smell good to me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.